How to log in Yahoo Mail account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you log into your Yahoo Mail account. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Yahoo app or directly you can open any browser. Since I am opening browser, so I have to search in the search field for Yahoo Mail. Alright, after you find Yahoo Mail at the top, simply tap on that yahoo.com. And from here, you'll have to just provide your username, email or mobile number here. After you provide your username or email, tap on next. From here, to finish the sign in, you'll have to enter your correct password of your Yahoo account. After you provide your password, tap on next. Alright, as you can see, by doing that procedure, you can easily log in or sign into your Yahoo Mail. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.